Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you Yagoo Dentures review. So, if you've been looking into at the at-home dental alternatives here, well, let's sit down and walk through exactly what the Yagoo custom fit functional dentures, often called Yagoo premium dentures, are, and what they are made of, and the official instructions on how to use them at home. So, what is the Yagoo premium dentures? Now, the Yagoo Premium Dentures here is a temporary at-home cosmetic denture designed to mimic the appearance of a full set of upper and lower teeth. Now, it is marketed as a quick, non-surgical alternative for adults who are needing or who are dealing with missing teeth, chips, or staining here. Now, just to give you some idea, this is not an actual denture that dentist would actually provide. This is like a denture that you could buy online that you need to do a bunch of stuff later on in order for it to fit properly into your mouth. So yeah, what does it actually offer? So when you buy the Yagoo kit here, you receive a DIY cosmetic enhancement setup. Now the product features the following. So first is the thermoplastic acrylic teeth. Now it's a set of simulated upper and or lower teeth that mimics a natural bright white smile. And you also have the customizable fitting beads. So the package includes like a set of thermal fitting beads. So fully morphed plastic, if I'm not mistaken. When heated, these beads melt into a pliable clear gel that acts as a custom lining to lock the teeth into your gums. And they also have or features a adaptable fit. Now the manufacturer states that the soft rubber base is flexible enough to accommodate the different mouth shapes, sensitive gums, and varying stages of tooth loss. And according to them, they do offer like affordable pricing here. So the kit is priced at a low cost here, direct to consumer cosmetic product with a single set of multi set bundles typically found online ranging from like $20 to $40, depending on your current promotional discounts here. So yeah. Also, they do have our features guarantee as well. So the official storefronts back the products with a 90-day risk-free refund guarantee. So just in case. So, how do you actually start using the Yagoo dentures at home? So, to get the custom fit promised by the brand, so you have to activate the thermoplastic materials yourself. So, first is you need to boil and soften the fitting beads here. So, you need to bring a small ball of water to a boil around like 150 Fahrenheit to 66 Celsius, and drop the white fitting beads into hot water. Now, leave them for about like 1 to 2 minutes until they turn completely transparent and stick together in a soft mass. And from then on, just apply the fitting material to the dentures. So using a spoon or fork, carefully scoop the softened clear gel out of the water. So also do not touch it immediately with your bare hands while hot. So once it is warm but safe to touch, shape the clear mass into a thin worm-like strip. Now press the strip firmly into the back channel of the Yagoo denture base. Now from then on, you just want to mold your mouth shape. So using both hands for stability, place the dentures into your mouth, press it firmly against the gums, and bite down gently but firmly, holding it in place for like 30 seconds. Now, also from then on, let it cool and set the material. Now, carefully remove the denture from your mouth and submerge it in a bowl of cold water. As it cools, clear the fitting gel. The clear fitting gel here will harden and turn into solid white, locking in your custom dental impressions. So from then on, you can go and start trimming excess material here just in case. And also some important usage notes here. Now, because it is an at-home temporary cosmetic product, the instructions recommend practicing speaking and chewing gently during the first few days to get used to the feel of the suction or to clean the device. Rinse it in warm water or clean it with a dye-free antiseptic mouthwash. Do not use harsh toothpaste as well, which can scratch the acrylic finish. But that's about it. So, if you found this video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.